Okay, got another video. I've got this Carrera Hellcat which I've just purchased, second hand obviously, to show what it looks like. Got a few Go Faster stickers on it, and there's a brake and the brake pedals. I want to say it's been set outside in the weather for a while, so I'm going to have a look at that. You can see the seat there, and the derailleurs, the gears. And these grips are sticky, so I'm going to have to order a new set. Okay, let me just dismantle it lightly. And now that's done, I'll try to get the crank off, but it will not move, so I've just took this top gear off. This is gonna have to stay on. These are the bits I've removed, and I'm gonna replace them. I've got all the parts on the bench here, what I've removed, a bit rusty. So what I'm gonna do is give them a clean and see if I can refurbish them. So let me just pop these brakes into this bucket, leave it soak for a bit, and then I'm just going to get rid of all the dirt and grease. Okay, next thing, I've got to get rid of these unsightly Go Faster stickers, and I'm just going to use my heat gun to heat the area up and remove them. Okay, just sped that section up for you. As you can see, I'm just removing these stickers. Okay, I'm going to replace the brake pads. It's just a matter of closing this clip here, this pin slides out, and then the brake pads should just fall out. As you can see here, I removed the brake pads. I've got to order a new set. These are quite worn, but you don't get much on them anyway. And let me just show you what they look like. That's the front and rear brake pads. Let's get the other one up there, and that's what they look like. So I've ordered a new set anyway. These are worn out, and here you can see I'm just doing some cosmetics. I've cleaned the parts, all these parts. I've given them a good clean, got rid of all the dirt and the grease and the mud. So I'm just going to give them a coat of matte black, just to make them look a bit tidier, as you can see here. And then this is part of the derailleur. I'm just going to repack them with grease, as I did with the pedals. And I'm just giving the frame a touch up here with the same matte black. And I'm just doing a bit of maintenance here to the forks. It's full of water because the bike's been left outside, so I'm just going to fill these shock absorbers with grease and oil and put them back together. And there you can see I've just done spread the crank. Okay, pretty much concluded now. That's the frame. I've touched up the black parts and it's looking a bit tidier. Give it a good clean. And here's the parts which are removed and cleaned and resprayed, looking a lot better. And then these are the new parts which I've ordered: bike grips, chain, seat, and brake levers. I found the handlebar in the shed, so it's just a matter of fitting them. Okay, the brake pads have arrived. Let me show you how they're fitted together here. They just fit inside this clip here, and if you just slot them into the actual brake caliper like so, and then you're just going to fit this retaining pin, and then you're just going to bend the ends of the retaining pin so it doesn't slide out, and that's the brake pads fitted. Just slightly adjust this grey adjuster here. Let me show you the action there. That's how they work. Okay, pretty tough with that. So now everything's all done. All the parts have arrived. It's just a matter of putting the bike together, as you can see I'm doing here. And I'll do this part lively also. You can see me just fitting the gears, chain, and the levers and the seat. Brakes look like with the pins bent back, and that's the derailleur, all nice and clean, and that's the pedals which I sprayed earlier. That's what it looked like before. And the seat, you can remember it had this big brown seat on it. I'll ride quite a lot, so I'll fit it with the saddle. Okay, pretty tough with that. So with that, thanks for watching once again, and please subscribe.